This video is to show you how to get to our online resources. First, you'll go to Research, then click on Digital Resources and Databases. Here you'll see we have it split into 4 subsections: by alphabetical, by subject, adults and teens, and youth. If you know the name of your database you're looking for, you can click alphabetical. Then choose the letter that your database begins with. For example, if I was looking for novelist, I would click on N, and then scroll down until I found novelist. If you do not know the name of your database, you can search by subject. We have our databases divided by several subjects: almanacs, encyclopedia and general reference, biographies, books and literature, business, finance and consumer information, career and job help, civics and citizenship, current events, do-it-yourself, ebooks, e-audiobooks and e-comics, educators' resources, Spanish sources, genealogy and local history, geography, history and social sciences, government, health and medicine, homework help, legal, magazines and newspapers, movies and TV, music, online learning and test prep, and science, technology, and math. Let's say you're looking for help with a math topic. You might start with homework help. Here you can see BrainFuse, Khan Academy, Learning Express Library, and the STAR TEA Student Assessment Division. You could find help for math in several of these databases. You could also look under Online Learning and Test Prep. Here again, we find BrainFuse, Learning Express, and Khan Academy, but there are also several other databases to choose from. You might also look under Science, Technology, and Math. Here are several other databases that are not in homework help or online learning. For example, if you scroll down, you'll see Tumble Math, and that's a great way to study math problems. Lastly, you can also look at our resources by age group. So if you click Adult Teen, you'll see all of the databases that we have that are geared towards adults and teenagers. Or you can click Youth to find all of the databases that are appropriate for children. If you have questions about how to find a specific database, you can always click the chat feature along the right side of the screen. Here you can chat with a librarian 24/7 by clicking the Click Here to Chat button. That will take you to Ask Us Texas 24/7. Here they have several popular questions, but you can also enter your own question down here, and they'll be able to help you find the database in question. You can also call your local branch. If you click here, it will give you the address and phone number for each of our branches. Lastly, you can also email a librarian. You should receive a response within 2 working days. And of course, you can always visit us in person, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.